state of emergency declared after hurricane hits Virginia Beach. On Sunday night, Hurricane Nick hit Virginia Beach, causing damage to between 50 and 100 homes in the area. Local authorities report that there were no injuries, but the city declared a state of emergency due to the damage caused by the weather phenomenon. Bobby Dyer, the mayor of Virginia Beach, said it was fortunate no one was hurt, but the situation could have been worse. Photos released from the area show large brick houses and dozens of trees, some of which have fallen over cars. City Director Patrick Donnie announced a state of emergency to help people whose homes were affected and to allow cleanup crews to work on clearing debris from public streets. Area firefighters are working to deal with damage from the storm, including several homes with gas leaks. According to reports, the scene after the hurricane passed looked like a scene from World War II. More videos of the damage caused by the hurricane in Virginia Beach are being shared on social media and local media. The city of Virginia Beach urges residents to stay safe and avoid hurricane-affected areas. Emergency teams are working hard to help those affected and restore the city as soon as possible.
Oh, that's real. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
I heard it. It was over our house.
Oh yeah. Green. Shut all the windows inside, please.
Christy, go downstairs. Thanks, sir.
big ass tornado getting ready to hit the island.
This is real.
Oh yeah, it's green. Shut all the windows inside, please.